In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run code from GitHub in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, accessing code from GitHub is a vital skill and it can be surprisingly straightforward. Let's dive right in and break down each step to ensure you're up and running in no time. First, you'll need to head over to GitHub. This is a platform that hosts millions of projects and it's the go-to for software development collaboration. Open your favorite web browser and type in github.com to get started. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the sign in button in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's time to log in. Enter your username or email address in the designated field. If you don't have an account, consider creating one to gain full access. After entering your username or email, move on to the next field where you'll input your password. Make sure it's correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. This will take you to your GitHub dashboard, which serves as your personal hub on the platform. From here, you can access all the repositories, issues, and pull requests you're associated with. It's the central place for all your GitHub activities. With access to your dashboard, you're ready to select the file you want to run. Locate the repository that contains the code you need. Click into it, and once you're inside, search for the specific file you want to run. Once you've found it, look for the down arrow icon. This icon typically represents a drop-down menu which will give you additional options. After selecting the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called github.dev. Clicking this will open your file in a web-based version of Visual Studio Code tailored specifically for GitHub repositories. It's a powerful tool that allows you to make quick edits, review code, or even develop directly in your browser. Here comes the exciting part. In the environment provided by github.dev, look for the Run and Debug button. This button is essential for executing your code and is typically found in the side panel or toolbar. Clicking it will prompt Visual Studio Code to run your application. If your project is well configured, it may already have necessary scripts or debugging configurations set up for smooth execution. And there you have it, a concise yet comprehensive guide to running code from GitHub quickly and efficiently. Remember, practice is key when familiarizing yourself with new tools and environments, so don't hesitate to explore more on GitHub. Thank you for joining me today and happy coding.